publication. Cities are required by KRS. Days ago we used to be reading that. To publish information concerning their activities that the public can be informed. KRS Chapter 424 sets out detailed rules for how such information should be published. Qualifications of newspapers. Notices required to be published may, which is a pretty important word, may be published only in a newspaper possessing the following qualifications. And like you said, it maintains a known office in the city, no problem there. It is regular issue and bona fide circulation, there's no problem there. And it has a name, title, consists of not less than 4 pages, there's no problem there. But if in a publication area there is more than one newspaper meeting the above qualifications, the newspaper having the largest paid circulation as shown by the average number of paid copies of each issue as shown in its published statement of ownership as filed on October the 1st shall be the paper of record.
You're reading 424.120. I am reading 424.110, which specifies that a publication area is and means the city, number 1,
Okay,
the county, number 2, the district, number 3. In other words, the vicinity publication area. The city is a publication area.
No, the county is a publication
No,
area.
I beg to differ.
The county, the Harlan Daily Enterprise is a public,
No.
is a record of public record.
No,
But
I
now,
beg to differ
we'll
because
need to get our attorney to give us an opinion on
I
that.
have, I'll be happy to do it, but meanwhile, I am going to make that motion because I know I'm right, because I have contacted 2 lawyers. And one of them, I can't tell you who it was because I told him I would not bring his name into it.
the publication, the publication of Harlan Daily Enterprise on October the 31st was 4,868 papers.
That makes no difference. You are going out of the area for the,
No, this,
you are neglecting 424.110, neglecting, which tells the publication area, which is specifies when you turn over to where you're reading, it says publication area. Publication area is the city.
No, it's.
So you're completely throwing away 424, .110. So until the lawyer, I make a motion until the lawyer reviews this, and if, and I also have, like I said, this court, decision that I'll be happy to give to him, also proving it, that I had obtained from another lawyer, that until such time we need to use our publications as required by law under these KRSs and use the city to lower finances or expenditures.
Second that motion.
Okay, motion. You don't mind if I write that down?
No, I don't mind if you're out of here. I've done a lot of research on this, Mayor, and talked to, like I said, 2 lawyers. But they said if you look at this KRS, you're neglecting the KRS 424.110.
110.
Yeah, which tells you the publication area.
I'd be looking to a Cumberland paper, I wouldn't be looking at all.
Well, it says, you know, you can publish other stuff, but the things that are required for the city to publish, that pertains to the city, that is required by law, should be published in the local paper, in the publication area. We have a paper that's in our publication area. It's cheaper. No, nothing against the Harlan Daily whatsoever, but I'm trying to save money.
And support local
Here's another thing I'd just like to throw this in. The last census report, newspapers near Cumberland, Kentucky, place type newspapers, within a distance of 30 miles. Here's the newspapers within near Cumberland, Kentucky. Coalfield Progress, Dixon County, Virginia. Harlan Daily Enterprise, Harlan County, Kentucky. Hazard Hurricane County.
They do not have
Kingsport
an
Times,
office
Minnesota.
in the city of Cumberland, which is a publication area.
But what I'm telling you is, this is just a newspaper near Cumberland, Kentucky. They don't even list the Tri-City News.
I mean,
We
it
don't
doesn't
know where you
matter.
got that.
It's a census.
I mean, it doesn't matter.
That's
It doesn't matter.
irrelevant.
It's just the idea, you know,
I mean, I'm trying to save money and follow the law. There is a KRS, I don't have it with me, it's 429 something, I wish I had a copy of it, talking about, if you break this, your publication's in a paper that, is required for law to be in your publication area, you can be fined up to $50 up to $400.
it says we may publish in any newspaper.
Is there a reason why you don't want to use the Tri-City
No,
News?
none whatsoever.
I mean, you have personal
But I'm
grudge
thinking about,
against them or anything?
the law says we have to use the paper record, not.
The law says we have to use the paper in our publication area as long as they meet the other criteria, which they do.
The law, well, okay, you got your motion on the floor?
Yeah.
We expect it to be followed.
I mean, you know, that is the law. And I do have this case, and I'll be happy to give it to the lawyer. It is one that was in the courts.
I think that we people disagree with you, we want the paper record.
That was it, that's what Robin said. That was it. That's one that Robin got. And that paper that I read did
You have
come
that
from
paper,
you
Robin?
originally.
May I read the bottom of what you want?